Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday evening, the 9th I think, or something like that. I got some time. I'm gonna work on the truck a little bit here, the DT466. I just had to use my hole saw here. I had a big enough one. I think it's an 1.5 inch hole saw. Got both of them cut out. I just filed them, took all the burr off of them. They're smooth now. Man, these Milwaukee hole saws, man, they're really good. I've cut a lot of stuff with that hole saw right there, and we just cut another two more 1/4 inch pieces of steel out, and I mean, they're just, man, they last a good while. You put oil, you know, add oil and just go nice and slow with them, man. They just cut. Took me maybe 10 minutes to do both those, so they're really good hole saws. Alright, let me go ahead and bend one of these guys up, and then I'll show you what I'm doing on the truck. Alright guys, so we're got them tacked on there. It's kind of dark for you guys to see. So I just bent them, tacked them in place, kind of tacked to the frame one spot. I gotta take it off and re-weld everything. But we're gonna make our pieces for, you're not even in the frame here. Come on, Casey. Alright, so make the pieces here for each side. Same over here. And we'll get that all boxed in. Tried my best to get the cab line lined up. It's a little high right here, which I don't like, but I can't get it up any higher. So I don't know what that's about, but I don't know. We might be able to fudge them a little bit when we get ready to place everything for permanent. But I'm done for this evening, guys. Tomorrow's weekend, and I got a bunch of maintenance to do on my daily driver. Gotta change the oil. I'll probably make a clutch video. I'm gonna put a new clutch in my truck. It's got 100,000. It's a Ram, 2017 Ram 6.7 Cummins with a 6-speed manual in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a new clutch in it because it's slipping in 6th gear if you get on it. So it's got 106,000 miles. I think it's what it says on there. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good for a stock clutch. Usually, the max I've seen is people getting 80,000 out of their original clutch. So I got 100. It's time to put a new one in, and so I ordered that. That's gonna be next weekend probably is when I'm gonna do that. I'll probably just kind of show you guys what. I probably won't say much or anything. That's just a time-lapse type of video for you guys if anyone's gonna put it in. I'm not going with a dual disc. I'm going with a single disc, like it's like a stock one, but South Bend clutch. So hopefully it's a heavy-duty clutch, they say. So hopefully it'll last a little longer than the stock one. But anyways, that's upcoming stuff. I've been wanting to work on the Cabover like really bad. Man, this thing is not wanting to focus for me. Okay. I've been wanting to work on the Cabover like really bad, you guys, but I mean, this week it rained all week long, and so I know it's gonna be wet back there. We need at least 3 to 4 days of it drying before we can get back there and work on it. Hopefully it's soon. I don't know what the forecast is, but it has just been raining and raining and raining. So is what it is, I guess. yeah, I'm hoping I can get those cab mounts done soon, those front ones, and then we can start working in the cab. I'm getting excited for that. Working in the cab, getting the floor done, getting that stuff done. Let me know down in the comments, you guys, if you want to see anything more in depth. I haven't really been going too in depth on this truck because it seems like not a lot of people watch the videos. So I mean, just, you know, put down in the comments what you want to see. A lot of it's just cutting metal and welding it, and that's about it. So if you guys want to see anything else, just let me know in the comments. I'll show it while I work. Yeah, that's it. So you guys take it easy, and I will catch up with you guys again if I'm gonna work on the cab mounts again this weekend. I'll catch up with you guys and bring you along.